Rocker Pat here. Alright guys, it's another rockin' hot day in the jungle. We're getting in the old blue truck. Let's take a look at this LMC dash that we got done up in here. We're also gonna play another little game called Hot Start. Alright, so we haven't gone over the dash. Dash went in good. Petey Dougie's like panting because he's hot, because it is, let's see what we got right there. Yeah, that's what it's showing right now, midday in Houston right now in June. 300,000 mile 94 Chevrolet pickup truck. Let's play the game of how long does it take to cool the cabin down. So y'all can go for a ride with me right now. I have to run an errand. I don't have any way to hold you right here. Let me get the seatbelt on. Might be a little loud with that fan. We got it on restart. It's hot out here. But what we're gonna look at, I guess in a way, what we need to check out is just how quiet this truck is now that I've changed that dash. Rattle that I had that I didn't really realize. It's always the case. You don't realize that you got it. I'm gonna turn this fan down. We're gonna run over this hole. No rattles. No. The only rattle you hear is actually that hit. And then we're gonna run over another one. Another hole. No rattles. Show you how y'all work this. Do not be a scaredy cat. Alright, where are we at on the temperature? Working our way down there. Yeah. Look at that. Almost get it. Driving in Houston, Texas. Railroad tracks, no noise. Love it! Thank you very much, LMC, for saving my little blue truck here, my short wheelbase Chevy. Yeah. Because this would not have been possible without somebody stepping up and actually making a dashboard for this thing. Alright, well my temperature's dropping. And we are ready to start rocking. Hard to hold this phone and steady and all that kind of stuff while I'm flying down the road. But I got good AC and we're rocking and rolling, and I appreciate y'all watching the LMC dash installation, and it came out great. Y'all keep rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking. I'm gonna keep grinding it down. Talk to y'all next time.
Well, we'd be able to hear the dash if he'd shut his mouth.